Well, I'm here at the food court at Tierra de Wata. I just bought a little present for one of the girls at cashiers that I first met when I came here. I only live about 3 minutes from here, so I do all my shopping here. And she was the first girl that could speak English, well, pretty good English, should I say. And you know, we got to talking over the years. And, you know, I've probably known her for about 4 or 5 years now. And she's got 3 kids. A husband that's in hospital with a hernia, and she loves cooking. She's studying cooking actually. So I thought it'd be nice to buy her something that's involved in cooking. So I bought her an oven, one of these small electric desk type oven type things, you know. I've got one at home. Been using it for the last probably 10 years. Pretty good outfit. So I thought, well, why not give her something that she can use and maybe help the family. I mean, she's the only one working, and they do about 12-hour shifts here, so yeah, pretty demanding on them. He's a bit gila.
Gila, crazy, you're crazy. She crazy.
Because this is girlfriend.
This girlfriend.
Yeah.
What do you know? What do
I
you
know.
know?
What?
What do you know?
She
She
tell
is girlfriend.
She tell me.
See?
Yeah.
This is your girlfriend?
No, this is not my girl. She's a good friend.
Yeah.
Just-
This the only
This is small.
Only stuff in
small
here.
pay, small.
This one here, nice. Ooh. This on video, you know. This on video, you say. Yeah. In here. In here, take home.
So hot. So hot. Dancing so hot.
I'll take her home, eh?
我们 on top.
Bunkus, bunkus. Bunkus, come on, let's go. Hey, you, hey.
Bungkus.
Yeah, they're testing. This is one good thing about these places, that they test everything first. So that's why I'm here today. I figured, oh hello, we've got a mosquito or something in there. I thought it'd be a nice little gesture for her. And you know, I've got no need for a lot of stuff. You get points for when you buy groceries and meat and all that sort of stuff. You get points, which at 2 times a year you can cash those points in for goodies, you know. And most of the stuff they got there, to me, is junk. But I've got plenty of junk at home, so I'm trying to diminish that as the days go by, because, you know, I don't have any need for anything at the moment. I've got a nice new bike, I've got a nice apartment, and you know, why shouldn't I share a little bit of it? Terima kasih banyak. Hey mate,
Hello.
how are you?
Wow!
This for you.
So big.
This for you.
Big, big, big.
You like cooking, hey?
Yes. I study cooking.
And look, have rotisserie.
Oh, yeah, yeah. For cake?
For cake, for
Oh. You
Chicken.
change for points? No? Why?
because not working.
Same.
Not. I'm not the richest person in the world, that's for sure. But you know, as I say, I don't use it, so give a little bit away, and make somebody happy for the day, or the week, or whatever, you know. So that's the story why I'm here today. That's just a little jaunt, and I hope you enjoyed it. Not a lot to add. I'll see somebody else who looks like they might need something. I'll do the same for them. Mightn't be an oven. I mean, could be anything, you know. Every bit helps. So, you know, they do it a bit tough here. Even the sort of upmarket people still do it fairly tough. But the staff here are fantastic, a whole lot of them. So if I can help one or two of them out, well, why not? So that ends this little video, this little rant that I have. And I hope she's happy with it and the family's happy with it. And she might even cook me a cake. So let's hope. All right, so we'll catch you next time.